What if I told you that Abacus AI Deep Agent can literally build full apps while you sleep? Most people think you need to be a developer to create real apps, but with Abacus AI Deep Agent, that's no longer true. I'm not kidding. I used it to clone Instagram, Facebook, and X, and it actually worked. In this video, I'll show you exactly how this AI does it, step by step. Alright, I'm gonna break down everything you need to know into 3 simple parts. This is the stuff you actually need to understand to get an AI agent doing all the heavy lifting for you. First things first, we need to talk about what an AI agent even is. It's super important you get the difference between this and just, messing around with a traditional AI to create content. The best way to get this is to think about the example of a teacher versus a tutor. So, think about a regular AI model like ChatGPT as a teacher. A teacher knows a lot. They have massive knowledge and can answer almost any question you ask, but they only respond when you ask something directly. If you stop asking questions, the teacher just waits. They don't follow up, they don't remind you of what you learned yesterday, and they don't plan your next steps. Now imagine a tutor instead. A tutor doesn't just wait for your questions, they guide you. They ask you questions back, suggest what to learn next, give you exercises, and even check your progress. They take initiative. Their goal isn't just to give you answers, it's to help you achieve an outcome. That's exactly the difference between a traditional AI model and an AI agent. An AI agent is like that tutor. It doesn't just wait for instructions. It can think in steps, make decisions, use tools, and take actions automatically to reach a goal. While a teacher, meaning the regular AI, might just tell you how to build an app, the tutor, meaning the AI agent, can actually go and build the app for you. So when we talk about Abacus AI Deep Agent, we're talking about a tutor-level AI, one that doesn't just answer your questions, but actually works alongside you to complete real tasks, from an AI app builder to automating repetitive workflows. Alright, now for point 2, let's get straight to the good stuff, the practical side. If you want to follow along with me, I've got a link down in the description. Go ahead and click that to try out the Abacus AI Deep Agent for yourself. It'll take you right to deepagent.abacus.ai. Now, you can do a ton of different things with this Abacus AI Deep Agent, but today, I'm going to show you how to build an app from scratch without touching a single line of code. Once you're in, click that big purple button that says Deep Agent. You'll see a menu pop up with a bunch of different options, and they're all pretty wild. Make sure you keep watching because we're going to explore what those other options do later in the video. But for now, I want you to use the prompts I've put together in a Google Doc, which is also linked in the description. Go ahead and copy that first prompt and just paste it straight into the prompt box. This prompt is specifically designed to tell our AI agent exactly what kind of app we want it to build. And look, this is exactly what I was talking about before. The tutor is in session. Just like that proactive tutor, the Deep Agent is immediately asking me follow-up questions. It's trying to get a better handle on the task I gave it. It's asking about how the user will interact with the app, how posts will work, how comments should be handled, notifications, all that core stuff you'd have to figure out yourself. So, after I give it my answers, this is where the fun begins. This is the magic. I literally don't have to do anything. I'm not writing specs, I'm not opening a code editor, nothing. Seriously, this is a great time to go grab a coffee or a snack. As you can see, the Abacus AI Deep Agent is just cranking away, generating all the code, figuring out the database structure, setting up the front end, and I'm just, enjoying this apple. It's a tough job, but someone's got to do it. Okay, check it out. It's done. We've got our app's homepage. It looks clean. Let's go ahead and sign up. It's asking for a username, email, password, and even a spot for a bio. Pretty cool, huh? I hit Create Account, and boom, we're in. This is a live, working web app. I started uploading a couple of photos just to test it out, but I can't actually see them in the posts. Okay, so we have our first bug. Normally, this is where you'd spend 2 hours pulling your hair out, digging through code. Instead, I just told the Deep Agent to investigate. Now, watch this part. This is so cool. It's not just thinking about it, it's actively investigating and solving the problem in real time. It's looking at the code it just wrote, identifying the error, and patching it. This is so far beyond just asking a traditional AI how to fix it, where you'd have to go in and manually mess with the code, probably breaking 3 other things in the process. The whole point is that the Deep Agent automates the entire process, from creation to debugging. And There we go. Look at that, the photos are up. How cool is that? But, okay, new problem. I can't see my profile picture, and I also can't seem to edit my bio. The fields aren't working. No problem. So, I just told the Deepagent what was up. It's literally like chatting with a friend who's a senior developer. You just tell them, hey man, the bio part is broken, and they're like, got it, on it. It just gives me this peace of mind because I know it knows way more than I do and knows exactly how to fix the problem. I don't have to stress about it. All right, fam, it's time to customize this thing. Look at my new profile pic. It's working, and I can finally get in there and customize my bio, make it look all aesthetic. You know what? I'm gonna upload some new pictures because I'm just so stoked about what the Abacus AI Deepagent pulled off in just a few minutes. How about that? I can add hashtags, a little description, and this is what my profile looks like now. This is a real, functioning social network. And if you click this little button right here, you can see the app in the mobile view just like it would look on a phone. Not bad, huh? And the best part of all this? This entire app, this clone, came into existence with just a few text prompts. I didn't write any code. I didn't hire a developer. It wasn't some complicated nightmare to fix the little bugs. Everything was super easy. This Deepagent is absolutely perfect for beginners, for entrepreneurs, and for everyone. When you think your app is finally ready for the world, you just click that purple deploy button, and it guides you through all the next steps to get it live on the internet. Obviously, what we're doing here is just a demo. But if you're serious about this, you could even tell it in the prompt to do all this work while you sleep. You could literally wake up to a finished app that you can use for a personal project or, and this is the big one, even sell and monetize your ideas. Think about it. You have that $1 million idea, but you have zero clue how to code to make it happen. The Abacus AI Deepagent makes it possible. In that same Google Doc, I've included the prompts to create your own version of X and your own Facebook. But just imagine, you could build your own Notion, your own LinkedIn, or who knows, maybe even the next big thing like BeReal. The sky is the limit here. Okay, that brings us to point 3. We've seen the AI app builder side, which is already insane. But now let's explore what else you can do with the Abacus AI Deepagent to really max out its features. And trust me, you're going to want to see this. Let's talk about computer use. This is huge. You can automate pretty much any task on your computer. We're talking automatically generating leads, posting to X for you, or just doing all your boring routine work. Look, right here, the Abacus AI Deepagent is automating X posting and helping me basically become an AI influencer, all on autopilot. I already showed you how to make a pretty powerful app, but I need you to understand what's happening behind the scenes. The Abacus AI Deepagent isn't just spitting out code. It creates the entire app, bundled with hosting, a database, an authentication platform, and it can even accept Stripe payments, all in one click. This is next level. It's vibe coding on a whole new plane of existence. You've probably heard the term SaaS, right? It stands for Software as a Service. It's just a way of delivering software over the internet. So instead of installing a program on your computer, you just use it online, usually with a subscription. Think about Gmail, Notion, or Canva. You just go to a website, log in, and you're good to go. The company handles all the technical junk, the servers, the updates, the maintenance. The big idea here is that the Abacus AI Deepagent can build a complete SaaS app like that for you, totally ready to go live on the web. In this example, it's building a CRM, a system for organizing and managing your clients and prospects, all automatically. Imagine building your own software company with a few text prompts. Also, have you ever heard of Jira? If you've ever worked in tech or a corporate job, you probably have. Jira is this project management tool. It helps teams plan, track, and manage their work. It's a way to organize tasks, monitor progress, and collaborate. Frankly, it can be a real pain to get useful data out of. Well, get this. The Abacus AI Deepagent can connect directly to your team's Jira and create an on-the-fly, totally interactive dashboard. No more messing with data exports or building charts in Excel. It just does it. Okay, what about this? You're thinking about making a PowerPoint or a PDF presentation. You know it's going to take you hours and hours to edit and format. And of course, it's due tomorrow for class or work. Forget that. You can just have the Deepagent create a rich, beautiful presentation for you. Talk about a time saver. That alone is worth it. And this next one. This is a feature that really blew my mind. The Abacus AI Deepagent can create what might be the best deep research in the world. I'm serious. Look at it go. It's searching multiple sources, pulling data, cross-referencing information, and creating a complete academic-grade essay with images and text that's actually easy to understand. This is a game changer for students and researchers. And check this out, this is super interesting. Abacus AI Desktop is an AI program that helps you write and create code, kind of like having a programming assistant built right into your computer. But it's so advanced that it outperforms other big names you might know, like Claude Code or even GPT-5 Codex. In other words, Abacus AI Desktop can write and understand code with more precision and speed than pretty much anything else out there. And on top of all that, it creates content. For example, the Abacus AI Deepagent can create those lip sync videos, where a person or an avatar's lips move in time with a voiceover.
You know, I see companies today cramming AI into everything, like it's some kind of magic dust.
Like I said, the Abacus AI Deepagent can literally do all your work for you while you sleep, with its state-of-the-computer use feature. Look at this example. It's connecting and messaging people on LinkedIn. It's running your outreach for you. Absolutely wild. As you can clearly see, this AI agent is unbelievably powerful. The possibilities are just massive. I've left a link in the description to the official info, so you can dig into even more details on the Abacus AI Deepagent. Now, the Abacus AI Deepagent is part of a bigger platform called ChatLLM Teams. Let's talk pricing, because I know you're wondering. The basic $10 subscription gets you 3 free tasks per month. That's not bad. Beyond that, you'll have to upgrade to the Pro tier. The Pro tier is an extra $10, so you're looking at $20 a month, total. But that's what gives you full access to the Deepagent. In this tier, you can create approximately 25 tasks a month, which is a ton of value if you're actually building stuff. I seriously invite you to try the Abacus AI Deepagent using that link in the description and in the pinned comment. Bring all those awesome projects you've got stuck in your imagination to life. Now, you can actually make them a reality with just a few clicks. A huge thank you to the friends at Abacus AI for making this video possible, and a massive thank you to you for watching my channel. Behind this avatar, there is a real person, and I'd love to know what you're thinking about creating with the Abacus AI Deepagent. Drop it in the comments. You know I do my best to respond to every single one. And hey, if you want to know even more, I highly recommend you watch the full ChatLLM review I did, where you'll find even more reasons to try this powerful AI tool. This is just one piece of my overall Abacus AI review. I hope you have an awesome day. Until the next tutorial, peace out.